All right. Activity A on page 2. Erase the chemical formula in each text box. Check that the visual displays are selected. Introduction. To balance a chemical equation, you first need to be able to count how many atoms of each type of element are on each side of the equation. In this activity, you will practice counting the atoms that represent in the chemical formulas. So to start, they want you to go back and they want you to delete everything that you have in the reactants and the products. So click in the box and then backspace to delete everything in those boxes. Question number 1. Type in H2 in the reactants box and hit enter in the keyboard. So they want you to type H2 and hit enter. Note that the formula shown has H2 below. The small 2 in H2 is a subscript. So what they're trying to say is this 2 turns into a subscript 2. 1a. What does 2 in H2 represent? 1b. In general, what do you think a subscript in a chemical formula tells you? Trying in other subscripts next to the H, such as 3, 4, and 5. Is your answer to question B true? Explain. So they want you to put a 2 there, a 3 there, a 4 there, and a 5 there. What does that subscript do when you change it? Now, what you may not know is it could be causing or it could be representing a chemical bond or connection between those hydrogens. Clear the reactants box and type a more complex formula such as CA parentheses HOH parentheses 2. See if I can just copy that and paste it. Yep, you can. You place that in the reactants box. How many of each type of atoms do you see? So count out each type of atom in the reactants boxes or box and place them here. In general, what happens when a subscript is found outside of the parentheses? So they're asking about this. What happens when the 2 is outside? What did you notice about the oxygen? What did you notice about the hydrogen? Try typing other subscripts next to OH such as 3, 4, and 5. Is your question in B still true? Explain. So go to the 2, type in 3. What did you notice? Type in 4 and 5. What is happening to the 5 when it's outside the parentheses? Number 3, practice for each real chemical formulas below. Calculate how many of each type of elements are there. Check your answers for the first 3 formulas using the Gizmo. So for this one, I would copy that number, hit Control C, or right click and hit copy, take it into your Gizmo, delete your old one, Control V, and hit enter. Checking to make sure that the number is right or the letters are right. They are. And all you're doing is counting the atoms in your reaction. Write down how many of each type of atom they are for the first 3. And for this large one at the bottom, let me just copy that to make sure. So I copied it. Now I paste it, hit enter, and now you count that. And you place those numbers here. That's page 2.